Today we'll be unboxing the Youstoo fast wireless charger. The reason I bought this was because I was trying to find a replacement charger for my iPhone 10. This particular charger came in inexpensive and it was sold on Amazon, so you can easily find it just by clicking on the link below this description here. What I liked about it was the leather calf skin that they have up top, so it does not scratch my phone and also allows for more grip when you put your phone down to charge. It also has an integrated silicone slip, so the bottom part of the charger itself does not slip on smooth surfaces. So let's go ahead and open the box and see what's inside. So right off the bat, let's see the brown box here. Let's go ahead and open it. So here we are. And right off the bat, I can feel the smooth PU leather, the calf skin with the logo. And here's the silicone. Here is the very anti-slip silicone. So as soon as you put it there, yeah, there's a lot of grip, which I like. That's perfect. Inside the box, we also find the wires. So very simple, very easy. I'm looking forward to using this on a daily basis on my nightstand. It says it's fast wireless charger, so let's go ahead and I will try it tonight and see how it goes. I will post my review, my complete review, in the comments below once it goes through maybe an hour or two of charging. So again, this is the Youstoo wireless charger. Go ahead and click on the link below if you're interested in buying it. Thanks for watching.